Hey, my name is Chris and we're about to jump into Photoshop. A few things before we get started. Number 1, I'm an Adobe certified expert in Photoshop. That means I know my stuff. But point number 2 is much more important. I've been a freelance web designer for a number of years and I've made over $50,000 from the projects I made in Photoshop alone. I'm also an entrepreneur. I run my own Android design studio where we create beautiful Android apps that have millions and millions of downloads. Lastly, I've taught over 120,000 paying students from all over the world. I'm a best-selling author on this platform and my courses have reviews way above the category average. To sum it up, I know Photoshop like my certification suggests, but my real-world experience is what makes my courses stand out. And that's because I've been on all sides. Web designer, app designer, team leader, freelancer, teacher, entrepreneur, you name it, I've done it. I know what it takes to use Photoshop to make a career or to make a living out of it. That's what all of my students have said they appreciate, my down-to-earth approach that produces results. Photoshop has changed my life in an incredible way, and I hope this course will start your journey as well. Last point, I know my voice isn't fantastic, but guess what? I've prepared everything. All the teaching materials, all the quizzes, all the information, the resources. But my friend Mark, he's going to do the audio. He's fantastic. Just have a listen.
Hello there, I'm Mark Rise. As Chris just said, I'll be covering the audio for this entire course. My studios are based in the UK and I'm quite a well-known British voice actor and TV presenter. In my free time, I like to work on fun projects as well, like helping Chris with this course. We're excited to get going, and I hope you are too.
So for the vast majority of this course, you'll hear his voice. But I'm gonna be here for you throughout your entire journey. I'm going to provide feedback, I'm going to create updates, you name it, I'm gonna be here around the clock. Plus, I'll jump into some lectures from time to time. This course, Ultimate Photoshop Training, teaches you how to use Photoshop like a pro, no matter the subject. You'll learn how to get creative with your photos, retouch skin issues, remove someone from their background, enhance features, and so much more. You'll also pick up how to create fantastic illustrations, get creative with layer styles, design an app icon, make a business card, build and animate an emoji, and I'm just getting started. Using all my teaching experience, I've structured this course in a progressive manner, so I take you from absolute beginner and we take a hands-on approach. You'll have exercises, activities, challenges, and you'll learn by working along, not just by watching. So this is a real hands-on approach where you actually study and practice as you go along. I've also included a massive library of premium resources. Over 250 beautiful PSD files that are at your disposal. Put them to good use and jumpstart your projects. This training is perfect for all users, especially for beginners who know nothing about Photoshop. Intermediate and advanced users will learn a lot too, but they'll have to skip ahead a few chapters. No matter your background or what you'll use Photoshop for, this learning material will make you fast, efficient, and productive in no time at all. Start your Photoshop journey with me right now and I'll be here with you every step of the way. I'll see you in the next lecture.